Make sure that it's public. Cool. Hello guys, alright, I'm back. Praise be to Yah, praise be to the Most High eternally. Let me just pause this. Why is it doing it twice? Alright, now let's analyze this real quick. Guys, I don't know what's going on with this whole streaming. Praise be to the Most High though. We're back. Yeah, I did. Pray that God strengthens us as we trade today. May the glory of God be ours as we advance. Yeah, hopefully it's a bright day for the markets. For me in the markets, for everyone in the markets, to be honest. I would say here to here. Guys, I'm gonna clean up the charts in a sec. Then the buy clearly depreciates. Buy strength decreases for sure. And as of now, what would I say? Low. This was a push down. High. It wasn't broken. Nor was the low. So it's still within the zone. So ultimately, sell pressure is increasing. Okay. Here, I'm gonna add a line instead of having this one here because it's starting to look too messy. I should have got on like slightly earlier because I feel like if I get in right now, I'm rushing. Yeah, wick to bath. Wick to bath, wick to bath. 4 hour wick to bath, respected those zones. It broke and held under the zone there with a large liquidity gap. The 1 hour is bearish. Yes. 5 minutes wise, we'll say that the sell is overextending. So what I'm wondering right now is whether I should wait for the retracement before I get in on an entry, or whether I should just get in, because this is actually quite a nice position. Oh my days, I completely forgot. Basically guys, my phone's, I don't know what happened, my phone's gone flat and I'm not logged into my, well, my other, like my main phone is gone flat. So I gotta log in on this one. see me, I don't like changing stuff in it. I don't like changing stuff basically. But yeah. So now I'm not even logged in. I can't even take this trade anyway. I said update MT5. Nah, this one is taking it there. Oh my days. Let me delete all of these accounts now. Fully jarring, bro. Alright, so guys, I couldn't even get onto this trade because I forgot my phone. The phone that I use is not even. I gotta go get a fix. So weird that happened actually, but it is what it is. I even forgot about my oh my days. I can't believe I just missed that trade because of this, bro. It's alright. Hopefully another opportunity comes. I don't think now. I don't think I'll take another one in the same hour. Another trade in the same hour. I've got to get my flipping TikTok active as well. Okay, cool. I'm logged in. Don't know how to use this on this one for it's looking kind of booky. XAUUSD. There we go. Okay, I don't think this inherently is a position. I don't think inherently it displays like a move. I'm gonna be gone at 9:30. There's no one. Let me check this as well actually. Since I'm here now. I've got too many things to do, man. Today, I'm supposed to get a haircut and all that, but game's gone. Let me see if I feel like I could have taken this trade, but I don't even like this position for it. I can't lie. I don't really like this position. Normally, if I'm taking the 4 hour, 1 hour, 5 minute kind of strategy thing, I would like for it to wick above. But as of right now, I don't think. I mean, I can see a potential reason as to why I could actually go on this. Because if I look at this from a different aspect, not respecting the ones that I formed yesterday, I would say something like this. Then the cell pressure is increasing, buy pressure is decreasing. Then after the cell pressure is increasing again. So we'll see in it. Hopefully I can get a trade towards the end, or maybe even earlier. I would prefer a retracement though, I can't lie. Looking at everything here. This is very, very bearish, I can't lie. With the 4 hour as well. Bro. I can't even message my barber. I can't even message, bro. On this, I don't have no contact save. Hope my phone gets fixed today, boy. Sorry, guys, as well for my nose. I didn't promote yesterday's live. That's fine now. Took a loss anyway. I feel I could have taken this, but typically what I like if there's another element to this strategy where if the 4 hour, 1 hour, and 5 minute are all in confluence. So you see how this 4 hour closed bearish, this hour is bearish. If the 5 minute forms, so from here to here, if the 5 minute forms a bearish candle, then I'm allowed to take it as well. But typically what I like is candles to wick over. So yeah, this is a bearish candle, but it didn't wick above. I like the wick above entries. I don't really like these because when I've back tested these, yeah, they do work, but they work something like 60% of the time or something like that. And 60% is good, but I'm not someone, I don't like 60%. I don't know. If it was like 85 or something, then I would be like, okay. But they don't work every single time. And, you know, people are positioning based off of this rejection and all that kind of stuff. So we'll see. Look, if the daily is definitely bullish, though, like the previous daily is definitely bullish, but I'm not bullish in general. Like I was saying in one of my lives, like retracements are expected. Like we're not expecting price to just go straight down with no, you feel me? So let's see what we can get. Regardless, if I can't get a position this hour, then regardless, like it's still calm. Like this is still calm. If I can't get a position this hour, it closing bearish is still good for us. It's let's say confirmation. Let me take the 2 hour actually and put it as one of these. That's a nice. So literally every single time frame, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, all of them are bearish. So maybe I could have taken that, but me, I don't want to risk my account for no reason, to be honest. Should I go on TikTok live, bro? Got a couple followers on TikTok still. Not today. Yeah, I wouldn't. We'll start next week with that. know that if I go on TikTok, there's gonna be so many people in the chat like, "Oh, buy, sell, I'm sold from here, I'm this and that, I'm buying here and stuff like that." So I'm gonna do the TikTok. Don't worry, I'm gonna do both actually. So let's see, man. What's the weather where I'm at? What's the weather like? I'm gonna be going outside later. So I have to check on my phone, forgetting that that one's broken. KMT. Hey. Say no more. It's quite hot still. Yeah, so guys, we could have taken that short, but it's fine. I didn't take that short. I'm just doing a bit of in a second anyway. I'm about to do a bit of market research real quick. Let's say one of a kind, you know. But yeah, cool. Let's do a little bit of market research real quick. I can't even call any of my brethren, bro. I don't even have their numbers, fam. To be honest, so I mean, any of my friends. Ooh. Clear value saying that the Fed is trapped with no good options, regardless of whether they hike or cut. That is not good. Let me check the price of oil real quick, actually. It's gonna be a scary summer, man. If oil prices keep going up. Because I'm seeing gold reject, which means that Brent should be going up. As of now, anyway. We'll see. I'm seeing also that Deutsche Bank are expecting gold to be getting to 8,000 by the end of this year, which is quite interesting. Quite interesting, I'll be honest. Deutsche Bank. It's at 110. Because, I don't know, man, the way I'm looking at gold, it does look like it's going to go bare in it, but let's see. Ooh, this is not, guys. We gotta really pray that. Obviously, I can't lie. It's already priced in my opinion. But if Brent gets over like 120s and that, it's gonna be a cold summer, real life. because if the UK start putting in measures of or try not to use your cars and all that and this and that, bro, it'll be a mad thing, bro. It will be crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna trade in the afternoon anyway, so. Oh. Let's see if I can get a trade today. No rushing, no, I can't. You can't rush nothing. You know, I see. Okay, Deutsche Bank. Deutsche Bank are expecting 8,000. That's crazy. That is crazy. What is OPEC? Let's go find out what that is. Okay, the thing is, we do see price respecting this low. Price is respecting this low. But for me to take this, even if it closes under, it would have to. Okay. I don't know, man. I don't like this. Kind of feels like no man's land kind of trade. But if we win, we win. If we lose, we lose. Literally. The Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries is a permanent intergovernmental organization created at the Baghdad Conference in September 1960. Think of it as a special club for oil producing nations. Its primary mission is to coordinate and unify petroleum policies among its member countries to ensure fair and stable prices for petroleum producers, an efficient supply to consuming nations, and a fair return on capital for those investing in the industry. Okay, I don't care where the headquarters are, to be honest. OPEC members collectively control about 80% of the world's proven oil reserves and produce roughly 40% of the world's crude oil. OPEC influences the global market primarily by adjusting oil production levels. If prices are too low, members may agree to cut the production to reduce supply, which theoretically pushes price up. If prices are too high, members increase production to stabilize the market and prevent global economic slowdowns. Okay, so this is the danger of another reason for why the Strait being closed is dangerous, because we have that they can't now govern the oil markets because obviously prices are too high right now. So yeah, another one. Let's see. We're gonna be looking for something here. Serious. Wait. Forgot. something. It's supposed to be 5 now. Okay. Okay. So, 200. About that. Oh, what's it doing, bro? I can't. I'm gonna need my phone back, bro, because this is starting to annoy me, bro. The heck is this, man? I'm clicking the button, I lie. So why is it not working? Give me a second, guys. I don't know. I'm low-key bugging a bit, innit? This thing's not working properly. Okay. I mean, this 1 hour has traveled a lot, bro. So I'm not really too whatever on this. Like, this has gone so far down already. Like, maybe I should have took the position earlier, but let's see. Go away, man. Realistically, all we'd want to see is, oh, these candles just continue closing under each other, basically. Let me see if there's actually any zones to the left as well. Oh no, it's straight fair value gap, to be honest. Eee! Okay. That was kind of... I need to actually use one of my other screens, but I'm not logged in on anything on that one. So, I mean, this would be a poor close. Yeah, it's broken under this, but it could retrace in here, or it could really just not respect these highs at all, which would not be a good thing. Jeez Louise. Oof. The thing is, you gotta take it as well as like, I don't like the fact that 2 of these candles have formed in the last 4 candles. Like, that's just not nice, and it means that buyers low-key want to get into the market, because why they forming 2 bullish candles twice, right? Even though sellers are clearly winning. Oh, yeah, what's this? I said 4 views. Yay. Okay, unfortunate break here. I think the 30. Oh, it's quite interesting to be honest. It's not nice again, actually. It's quite interesting. It's a strong move right here. Let's see if we look in regard to this. I did mark this right. Yeah, okay, cool. So if we say this, with sell pressure increasing, it hasn't fulfilled it yet. So I would expect it to definitely at least come here. I would expect gold to come here before it even considers retracing. But even if it does retrace, then I'm increasing expecting sell pressure to decrease anyway. Oh, I don't think I showed you guys my position actually. It's my position. SL's like up here. 4603.15. About there. Then it's like a 1-to-1 anyway, so just make it 1-to-1. Let's see though, because I don't want to see it reverse here. Something that we could do as well, right? This would make it quite mathematical, I would say, is if we look at this numbers here, let me write it down. The number here is, let's take, I'm going to say 19.285, but I'll also put minus 0.42%, right? So if we do this and after take the next short, right? Like this. Alright, cool. So the next short was minus 24.315 and this was minus 0.52. So the increase was 10%, minus 0.1%, right? So you can use this potentially to try and calculate how much you could possibly expect the next move to go down, if that makes any sense. So see, I'm used to using my iPhone, bro. I can't use whatever, man. Samsung on calculator. Let me see something, bro. Let me get a calculator. So what we'll do is we'll do 0.52. Wait, actually, how do I restart this, bro? 0.52 Okay, minus. Let me restart, man. This ain't working properly. Minus 0.52 0.42 1.2. So now if we times by 0.52, 0.64. So this would be 0.64 would be about here. So ultimately what I'm basically saying is I'm expecting my TP, I would require overperformance of the risk that was displayed, of the percentage increase. So what I'll do is percentage increase expectation leads me to believe that it's minus 0.64. Potentially, I'm not saying that it has to get there. So that'll be based on the percentage increase in it, if it respects that anyway. But this is very nice, you know. What I don't like is typically at the end of every candle is when you will get a like little retracement or something. I don't like that stuff, man. But price can literally just retrace here. It could literally just retrace here, if I'm being honest. I'm not gonna act like it can't. I'd hate for that to happen though, but let's hope it doesn't. I want it to come down at here before it even considers retracing, so that I'm still in profit. Let's low key pushing up Sly. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe I should have recalibrated my whatever the trend lines that I use instead of using this one. But the fact that it broke under is good anyway, so I think I'm gonna continue looking at this one. I mean, the reason why I'm not too whatever is typically I do operate at about 80% win rate, so you know, hopefully I overperform my natural performance, overperform. Man, English. I don't like this as well, because basically what I'm looking at right now is this last 15 here. So the last 15 would have closed here, right? Okay, guys, I actually might take this at break even and look for a re-entry, because I like it. I think me like it. Nah. Okay, I'm not gonna trust the 15, but don't be shocked if I go for a re-entry here, bro. I can't lie. I don't like this. I don't like the fact that it's the end of the hour and the 15-minute wants to decide that it wants to close I don't think it closed bullish. I don't want to look at the 15 one. That's what it cooked me yesterday. Well, let's hope it doesn't respect the 15, but I don't like the idea of it potentially doing that. Yeah, you see. Alright. Let's see. 15 is bullish right now. We did say retracements do happen towards the end of a candle. Okay, cool, that's fine actually. Guys, if we get a break and hold above this zone, I'm taking out my trade early. Then I'll look for a re-entry. That'll be fine because it'll only be a bit. Respected that zone quite nicely. Hopefully it closes under this zone here. I was made in the ghetto. Trying to see this 5-minute close like this, like under here. That'd be quite nice. Like for it to disregard the 15. Look at that. Nah, I would actually. I need to turn on this system real quick because I need to go check the regression. Regression channels. You know, you can take a slight mathematic perspective from whilst trading because it's numbers, right? Numbers don't lie. Numbers show trends. So yeah, let's see how this plays out. Maybe I should edit these and then post them, innit? Post all my trades or something. This guy's thing so loud, bro. Like, the heck? I don't like this. Like I said, close above here, I'm closing my trade early. Close above here and I'm closing my trade early, which would be absolutely fine by me. What is that? So loud. Close above that zone, closing my trade early. Simple as that. Thank you. Gold. Alright, cool. But clearly we also we do see that it's respecting this. It is respecting this. I can't lie. Oh, let me see. So I'm trying to see price hold under that. Once it came out straight flying back up. Right, buddy. All right, mate. If we get a hold under that, then we can be quite confident, to be honest. If this one can come here, hold under, like for it to like close here or something, that would be quite nice. What was I doing again? Oh yeah, I need to get the regression channel up. Oh, I don't like the reject. Do you know what? Something that I don't actually like is, look, guys, and this is why I'm considering taking this out, yeah, because I feel like it looks like it wants to retrace. Because if you look at the markets here, constantly the whole time it's just flowing down freely. The point where, like, if we get two more candles where it's just staying within this zone, I'm going to take two or three more candles of it just staying within this zone. I'm taking out the trade, because where's the momentum to go down? Where is it? Where's that same momentum? Why is it stopping? Why have we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles all in the same zone? Give me a sec, guys. I'm back. This might be a potential break even. First break even of the week. I don't like this, boys. I'm gonna need a, obviously with the hour being buried, but look, normally when it does this as well, it will retrace. It will retrace. That's what it normally does when the hour closes like this, because it knows a lot of people are trying to get in on this, as well as the fact that it's taken this fair value gap, but there is a fair value massive, and on the 4 hour, obviously, there's not going to be these periods here. So let's see, man. It's quite annoying though, to be honest. Give me a second, guys. Gotta use the regression channel. Let me know what's going on the lower time frames. I haven't really used it this week, to be honest. I was at the beginning of the week, but not anymore. Gotta log in on my laptop because my phone decided to fail on me. Guys, make sure you read your Bible, man. Cause yeah, I did. I don't know, lads. Two more. If we get a close above here, I'm taking it out. I might as well move my actually now because it might tap and come down. But two more candles, or one or two more candles of it not breaking this low, and I'm out. Simple as that. Just keeps on rejecting this low, bro. Come on. Come on now, buddy. Come on now, bud. see, man. Yeah, you see, like, okay, cool. This is the last candle. If it doesn't get back down and under there, I'm taking it out. Why does this man keep on emailing me, man? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Mama raised a lot of things. Okay. Guys, this needs to go and break under, please. Can't be wasting my time here. Okay, you know, because there's a potential for a bearish candle. Okay, if this forms a bearish candle and it doesn't close under here, under this zone or under this as well, then I will give the grace of one more candle because the candle is bearish. But it's not a bearish candle, you see. Alright, cool, let me just do this quick. Okay, so let's go on this first. So respecting the middle of the regression channel on the 1 minute time frame. That's insane work. I can't know. We didn't tap the bottom there, but the channel is definitely bearish. On the 10-second is sort of some sort of consolidation. I would like to see it just go down, to be honest. I don't want to look at it on the 10-second because, you know, it changes too often. Drink some water. It's not nice. Okay, guys. I'm gonna see for 1 second how it tests the highs of the previous candle. But this is definitely a bullish candle, if I'm being honest. I don't think that I'm gonna keep this in, to be honest. I do want to see it break these highs first, though. It's 8 o'clock, so the new hour, yeah? New hour just formed. So if it gives us a 5 minute bearish candle, let's see, man. Let's have a look at this. Let's place this here. Let's hope that sell pressure doesn't outperform. Let's hope that sell pressure doesn't outperform previous sell pressure. So if not, we're cooked. Because if it does, it could easily go stop us out. Man, this is taking its dear time, isn't it? Okay, that's nice. Might even want to bloody double my flipping lot size because of how slow this is. Alright, cool. This is the zone we needed to break, to be honest. Hopefully it engulfs this whole candle and just continues going down. That would be beautiful. But it's too early to say. Here's me looking for my other phone again. Let me try to keep on charge of it. See. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Yeah. Yeah, you see. I don't know. Let me have a look at the 5 minute real quick. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. Composure is necessary, lads. Patience is granted by the Most High. One more minute till the 5 minute close. Yeah, I would like to see a bearish 1 minute here. That would be nice. Got to be gone soon anyway, so I'll hold that. The trade lands within the time I'm on 9. Mm-hmm. 10 more seconds till the close. Nice strong rejection on the previous zones as well on the 1 minute. I'm looking at it on another chart as well, guys. Okay, this is a bearish close, but the thing is there's the potential for price to go down, then wick back up and close within the body of this candle, which I hope doesn't happen, because if it's very bearish, and it won't. See, I don't like the fact that it's formed a wick already, but you know, the potential is it comes here, then comes like that, but it's already formed a wick. I'm just hoping that this is not where it yeah, I want it to hold under, but I don't want it to come down. And we've got 4 minutes. Let's see. because where it's currently touching is the 1 minute. It's a 1 minute regression zone. I'll explain that a different time, can't I? Yes, sir. Can't get excited yet though until the 5 minute closes, to be honest. But actually, this is a new hour and it's formed a bearish 5 minute, which is typically a good sign. That price wants to continue going down. Okay. Can't get happy yet, I'll be honest, I can't lie. The price is struggling to break under these zones as well. What did I say though? Sometimes with these candles, when it forms like this, it will come down and hold here. Let's hope that if it can hold under and also hold under the zone here, that would be good, but it's not looking good, lads. What did I say? Price action, bro. Price action. I did say this was going to happen. No one can say that I didn't say that. At any point, if we get a close above this, I'm taking out the trade. As simple as that. Because it just means it's going to continue up. If we get a 5 minute close under that zone anyway. Ooh, looks like a battle between the buyers and sellers actually. I can't. I feel like I want to get to the next level, be able to learn how to read order books and stuff like that. And I really feel like that's on top dog behavior. Honestly, reading order books, like, bro, that's levels, bro. I think it's more important for tick scalping, but if you can look at the order book like without looking at the candles and understand where price is gonna go, then looking at candles must be like free. I don't know. I just think it will take you to the next level, innit? Got 40 seconds left on this. Let's see where it goes. Hopefully it goes down though. Looks like buyers try to get aggressive off that low. Yeah. If it can close under that low, that would be very nice, but it doesn't look like it's going to at the moment. This is gold. All you need is 10 seconds literally and it can go and close under there easily. Let me mark this on this candle as well actually. And this one. See, I don't like this consolidation, if I'm being honest. It is respecting. Okay, you know what? Yeah, I think it's about to go bearish actually. Even though someone could deem this a bullish candle, I think the high was a rejection of the regression curve. I wouldn't like for it to test it again. I'd like for it to go test the lower regression curve. I'll screenshot this one and explain it. Because it's not the regression channel that is found on TradingView. You know, something called Dukas copy. Lucas copies a Swiss bank. Get paid in BTC, GBP, and USD, even in Swiss franc. By the way, I was just rapping. No, that's. Oh yeah, actually. Oh yeah. See, I can't even reply to one of my friends. Realized I forgot to reply to him. And my phone's broken. 1L. Let's see. Okay, this is the 5 minute. Ooh. I don't like the 1 minute. I don't like the 1 minute, if I'm being honest. Yeah. I don't like it at all. Some serious consolidation though. I don't know though. I think now if it closes above there, I'm not gonna take it out because I feel like the 1 hour closing like that is confirming that price wants to go down. If I'm being honest, it's just accumulation, distribution right now. It doing this is people taking their orders, people setting their orders and stuff like that. So you see that, oh, people are taking profit. If you go on like lower time frames, people are buying and selling from all the way down here and all that kind of stuff. So I don't know. This could be taking profit. This could be a lot of things. Could be people buying, expecting it to go back up. The whole lot. But on these lower time frames, there's not really any clear market structure. As of now, it's literally just going sideways, to be honest. Let's see. We wouldn't want it to break this high though. That is not nice. Don't do that to me, mate. I feel like London session is quite overrated. Like I feel like pre-London is better than London session, and New York session is better than London session as well. For most pairs, anyway. Let's have a look at GU real quick. Jeez Louise. Yo. Bloody heck. That's crazy. Let me zoom out quick. Like discretion wise, if I'm looking at this, I'll be thinking, okay, maybe he wants to before it goes. Because to get this kind of zone here, unless it's properly bearish, it's not coming down. But once again, respecting of that zone, again, got 16 seconds. This has been quite annoying. Three. Ooh, it closed above that. It closed above it. Guys, I'm gonna take out my trade. Should I? Yeah, I think I should. Let me have a look at the 15 as well though. I don't like looking at the 15, but I'll have a look at it. I don't want that false premise that the 15 gives. Okay, guys, it looks like we're gonna break even right now. I'm gonna take this out and just look for another entry, to be honest. Because I don't like the fact that it broke above there. You get what I mean? I don't like that. Because if it's doing this, You gotta bear in mind the momentum was quite bearish, yeah. The momentum was quite bearish. Then after it stops, and then there's support and resistance, and it breaks above here, or supply and demand. I'm saying support and resistance so you guys understand. It's kind of the same thing though. Yeah, so that would be, what the heck? That would be what you call a break and retest. Pick up a seal on that one. Let's see. I'm not out yet. I want to see how it responds to breaking the zone. But I do feel like it's gonna go up. I might as well just take it. This is basically losing nothing, to be honest. It's calm to take an L here still. Let's see if it can get back to my entry go completely. I don't think so. Let me just take this out actually. See me, I've got a problem with taking out my trades early. Like I'd rather just lose, you feel me? Because I don't like the idea of, oh, you take it out, then it ends up going back in your direction. It's quite annoying. But the regression channel on, yeah, this was the problem the whole time. The regression channel on the 1 minute. And the regression channel on the 1 minute, and also the fact that the 10-second is the regression channel started looking like it was going up as well. See the cars and the clothes, man. Oh. Should I take out my train? I would rather just lose, if I'm being honest, guys. Losing is better, because then you follow your risk plan. I was saying to you guys earlier, oh, I typically operate at 80% win rate anyway. So this is the 10th trade and I've only lost one. So if anyone is watching, you can go take out the trade if you like until you see something that you like. But that break above is not nice though, if I'm being honest. No. Oh, you can edit the video from here. Okay. Not even knowing. If this closes like this is beautiful. Poetic. Because this would imply that sell pressure is depreciating whilst giving us a bearish candle with the 4 hour and hour respecting it. So this could literally be a poetic trade, bro. Poetic. I need to check news, to be honest. I need to check if there's any news. Let me check. I didn't check. Need that phone back ASAP. People keep on. Alright, cool. Ooh, red letter 7:30. When did I take my trade? Red letter 3. Can't lie to you guys. I'm not even trying to be here too long, if I'm being honest. I'm hoping that this just goes and hits. Don't worry, cause everything's. Oh, nice little move there. Come on, boys. Need a bigger push. Bigger one, bro. This would be absolutely amazing. I don't think you understand. Obviously, I don't want to get greedy. For sure, I'm not someone that's going to get greedy, God forbid. But this would basically be showing that, oh, it's going to continue going down a long, long way. I'm nearing TP, guys. Don't worry, cause everything's gonna be alright. People keep on. Yes, sir. TP hit, boys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Maybe I should have left a little runner or something. But yeah. Okay, guys. I'm done for the day. W trade. Maybe I might come on again during New York session, but I doubt it. Because yeah, I doubt it, innit? But praise be to Yah, glory to the King. Hopefully we stay winning. There is a bank holiday on Monday, and bank holidays are horrible. I've had to learn that from personal experience. Sometimes a day after a bank holiday can even be horrible as well, even the whole week. So, alright, cheers, guys. Finished. Nice little trade. Let's go. God did.